All right, we are on our way to the Legacy store. It just opened this morning, and it's very crowded this morning at City Walk. But let's go see what we can find at the new Legacy store and see what kind of displays they have. All right, we're almost at the Legacy store, and like I said, it is a little bit crowded this morning. I was gonna get up earlier, but I decided to rest a little bit after going to Disney Springs and stuff yesterday. So let's go check it out and see what the Legacy store has in store for us today. After the Epic Universe Preview Center has been closed and the whole new retheming we're about to check out. So they kept the electronic sign, but they definitely replaced like the outside stuff. So we had like Back to the Future, Universal Monsters, like the Invisible Man, Wolfman, Creature from the Black Lagoon, Frankenstein, Jaws. All right, so here's some of the merch. We got some Jaws stuff, which I believe some of this stuff has already been in the parks. But I'm pretty sure they have some exclusive stuff as well. They have a puzzle piece right here, or actually a puzzle that you can build of the Jaws logo for this store, which is pretty neat, honestly. They even have a poster right there, and they have a couple different variety of hats down here. One with like a bite taken out of it, which is pretty cool. Got a couple versions of the bucket hats, and I think on this side they have a T-shirt and some prints. Oh, it's a tank top shirt for that. That's cool. So the tank top is 35, and we got some shark plushies for Bruce, some Jaws prints, which I might have to get one of those. And then they have the cool display. I'm glad they kept like the Epic Universe like kind of display and put like the different characters that are going to be represented in here. But let's check out and see some of this stuff in here. So we have a huge Back to the Future display, which is pretty awesome. So I'll definitely be taking some photos of that later for some selfies. But let's see, we got some out of time merchandise. We got a T-shirt, license plate, and some mugs and a tank top. So this is where the mystery display was, or this is where the mystery display is for stuff. But this is where they had the huge Epic Universe like preview of the thing. Oh, that's cool. There's Digimon in here. Okay, I might have to get that because that's pretty cool. I was not expecting Digimon to be in here, but let's see. There's some stuff for Chucky in here, which that's pretty cool. I definitely say the one with the fire is one of the best. Let's see, who else is in here? Oh, we got Minions. Those are cool. Up, they have the Bikini Bottom Buddies in here, like they do at the Five and Dime and League of Legends. Let's see, who else do we got? Oh, we got some Harry Potter stuff as well. So this is really neat. Oh, and this is a close up of the Bikini Bottom buddies. They look really cool. What? Okay, another surprise that we found is they have Teletubby display. That's pretty cool. Oh, there's even more Teletubby stuff. This is very strange, but that's cool. How much are these? Hmm. We'll have to find that out. But that's pretty interesting that they have uh Teletubbies in here. What else have they got? We got Kung Fu Panda. I think I saw these in the park for Islands. Let's see. Curse of Dreams. I don't know that one too well. Uh, let's see. There's also some Overwatch stuff. Really? For Overwatch 2, I might have to get some of these. Let's see. They have Spy Family, which is pretty neat. Let's see. What are the options here? Those are cool. There is the giant Jaws art, which is beautiful. I'm definitely going to get something with that on because that looks so cool. And let's go take a look and see what other displays are around. Okay, so here is the ET one, and this looks awesome. I'm definitely gonna be taking some photos of these later. But this is gonna be cool. And then over here we have Universal Monsters with representations for Frankenstein's monster, the Wolfman, the Mummy, or not the Mummy, the Invisible Man. Oh, I'm sorry, yeah, the Mummy too, on the corner. Dracula, the Bride of Frankenstein, and the Creature from the Black Lagoon. And they do have some T-shirts over here for Epic Universe. So some of that stuff kind of stayed, but they're doing that deal for 2 for 50, which is pretty good. The shirts are usually 30. I think they have some Jaws ones and maybe Hill Valley in there as well. And we have some more Universal Monsters merchandise, which looks pretty good. I've seen these around the park, I think at the Five and Dime in Studios. I've seen some of these shirts as well. That's a really cool, like, button-up shirt. But these action figures are pretty cool. Now, the only ones I've seen are Dracula and the Bride of Frankenstein. I think this is the first time I'm seeing the Wolfman, which that's pretty cool. And they do carry the Funko Pops for Dracula for Universal Monsters, which that's pretty neat. That one is... Oh, I don't think I've ever saw the back of these. This might be an updated one, because that's pretty cool. That's a good comparison with the boxes. They even have some of the Universe Collection stuff in here for the birds, which is pretty cool. They got the umbrella, some t-shirts, the bucket hat. That's pretty amazing. And then over here, we got some Happy Gilmore stuff, which is pretty cool. They have the jacket. That's awesome. And then over here, some Masters of the Universe stuff. And I know the movie's coming out soon, so it'd be kind of cool if we can see some merchandise for that too. And there's the jacket, which is 90, but that looks pretty good. And then you have the Skeletor long sleeve right there. And then they have some stuff for She-Ra here, like a t-shirt. This stuff I've seen in the 5 Dime as well. But this is still pretty cool. This is an up-close version of the glass. But I did show this in one of the other videos, but this is still pretty cool. And then over here, they have like book bags. They got like a little purse, which is pretty cool. So definitely a lot of cool merchandise. This is such an awesome display. I'm gonna have to do some selfie videos in front of them, but this is still pretty cool. And Bruce is right there. Ah! Phone home. This is so cool. And then they got this really cool screen over here showing like the artwork as an animation, so that's pretty cool. They got Jaws over there. I think it switches out, and it might go to like. There's Bruce. Oh, but there's the monsters. Let's see, they got the ET Spirit jersey, which looks pretty nice.